Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Ringtone volume is low for incoming calls. I would be showing two methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Select Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode here. Go down. Here we can see attention aware features. By default this would be enabled like this. We need to disable it. Tap here. This way we need to disable attention aware features. This way we would be fix that issue. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to sounds. Here we can see ringtone and alerts. We can increase ringtone volume here. Tap here. Tap and swipe to right side. This direction. This way we can increase ringtone volume. This is a method 2. So these are two methods to fix ringtone volume is low for incoming calls issue. Okay, so please check it.